Hello friends, today we will learn how you can increase download speed in Google on your phone. So it's very easy. If you don't know, then watch this video completely. So let's start the video. First open Google Chrome on your phone. After opening, search for Chrome clone // // After it opens, search for download on the top side and go down to day, and whatever is written as default, enable that. Click below on the rails. You can see your down respite, it will be better than before. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.